loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Fumi, and today's episode is going to be a foundation review. We are going all the way to Drugstore Avenue, and the foundation of the moment is the Superstay Full Coverage 24 Hours by Maybelline. Yes, darlings, I got this in New York and I was really eager to try it. Where can you get this foundation? It's a drugstore product, so you can get it at CVS, any other drugstores. It will be there for you. Which one did I get? I got the darkest. The darkest foundation comes in truffle and the number is 362. They have 16 different shades of this 24-hour foundation. I have it all here. Let me just be reading it all off. And it retails for $11.99 or £9.99 here in the United Kingdom. I didn't even know that they had it in the United Kingdom. Or you know what it is? Sometimes we don't get all of the colors here in the United Kingdom. So when I go back to the US, I try to stock up on everything that I absolutely desire. So it comes in 16 shades, but I have not seen 362 truffle here in the United Kingdom. If you do find it, lucky you, stock up. It's 30 ml a bottle and it's pretty heavy. It's pretty heavy. I would say that this is quite a beautiful package for drugstore. Maybelline is good for that. And then when you open it, ta-da, it has a pump. Thank you, Jesus. So it is travel friendly. I wish that all liquid foundations came with the pump because you only need so much. With the bottle, the top open bottle can be very messy. But with a pump, you only use what you need and not as messy. So that's all I can tell you for now. We're going to go right in for the demonstration. And as you can see, I'm already wearing it. I've already beat my face. If you love this makeup, do not worry. I'll do it for you guys in the next episode or the episode after. I was just feeling very vogue. You know, and I wanted to see how this foundation will, you know, stay up. So, without any further ado, my loves, let us go into the demonstration. All right, darling, so we're gonna go in with the Pro Filter Primer by Fenty Beauty. I love this primer. Put some on my fingers like so and rub it in. It smells like cake mix. And it's got a little bit of a white cast, which I don't mind. Do you guys worry about getting older? I don't. I can't wait until I'm 90. Still doing YouTube videos. I'm going to take my Artiste brush Oval 8 and of course my Superstay Maybelline Full Coverage Foundation. Let us pump some out. I'm going to give it 1 pump, 2 pumps. Just going to dab onto my cheeks. It looks light, doesn't it? Okay, let me turn this way. I'm gonna put this in. Put a little bit down onto my neck. I'm gonna put this in. I'll tell you this much, it is full coverage. Could I have liked to have a slightly darker shade? Yes. But I'm not complaining because it's blended in beautifully. Ula, what do you think? Do you like this on me? Yes, Ula likes it. All right, so that is the full coverage foundation. I'm just going to fan myself down a little bit. Woohoo! Oily, oily, oily skin. Then we're going to have the Estee Lauder Double Wear Full Coverage. This is like a highlighter that I use underneath my eyes, my little laugh lines, chin, and brows. Let's put that on as well. I got my beauty blender, the black one. I'm just gonna put this up here, just a little bit right there, and we're gonna put this underneath, yeah? Put a little bit on my nose, I always do that. A little bit underneath my mouth, on the sides. Just dab off, I never reapply, just to, you know, keep that nice and light. I go back and then you kind of blend this out. I put a little bit on my forehead here. Yes. A little bit under my cheekbone for that extra pop for later on. I use that as a guide so that when I do my contour, I know it's right there. Voila. I take my Topaz by Benai and I just put a little bit of setting powder underneath my eyes. All right, my love, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish off with the rest of my makeup and we're gonna find out whether this foundation is FDV approved or not. Yes, darlings, I'll talk to you soon. Mwah. Alrighty, my loves, we are back and I've beat my face. And I will tell you right now, because it is very hot in London, so I'm perspiring. It is full coverage. It is full coverage. I liked it. It was a little bit light in the beginning, but it kind of sort of oxidized and blended into my complexion. I brought it down only here so that it could have that gradient effect and it wouldn't look too masky on top. So what would I say, guys? I wish Maybelline would go with darker colors. At least they have to go at least 2 or 3 shades down so that everybody can be inclusive. Because I'm a dark girl, but I'm not deep, deep, deep dark like my lipstick. And you have girls of this complexion. So I would say that they would have to go darker. At the back of the bottle, it has all of the information here. And it does say it doesn't fade, which I like. Now, I do feel that it stays packed on. Yes, it does. It does stay packed on. And it does say also that there is no transfer. Let me check that out right now. Let's do that, girls, you know, because, you know, I have to come and give you the true tea. So this is a clean tissue. Let me just blot. Not so bad. Not so bad. But it does transfer. If you're wearing a white shirt, it will transfer. Let me do in between my nose. Right there. Yeah, but that's my lipstick bit, but you know, the top part. So it does transfer. Having said that, I like the foundation. I really do. It's kind of sort of fabulous. Is it mattifying? I feel that it is because I have very oily skin. So I'm sweating, but I'm not oily. So I like that as well. Yeah, I am absolutely feeling it. Ula, darling?
Is it FDV approved?
It is FDV approved. For drugstore, yes, it is FDV approved. The price point is great. You get full coverage. It is a nice foundation. It blends in well. It kind of oxidizes and blends into my skin. The only thing for me, I feel, is that 16 shades is not enough. I've talked about this many times before. Let's go up to 30. Let's go up to 40. We can do it. All right, sweets. I love you and I will see you soon. Hugs and kisses. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and leave all of your comments down in the comment section below.